Hey everyone! Welcome back to English with Class, your calm corner for real English conversations, useful phrases, and gentle motivation. I'm Emma.
And I'm Jake.
Jake, can I ask you something?
Go ahead.
When was the last time you actually finished a goal you set for yourself?
Honestly, I had to think about that for a second.
That's exactly why I asked.
I think most of us start strong and then life just quietly takes over.
Exactly. We make plans in January, and by March, the plan is somewhere under a pile of other things.
Painfully accurate.
And that's exactly today's topic. How to talk about your goals clearly and confidently, in simple English.
I like this one because everyone has a goal sitting quietly in the back of their mind.
Jake, do you think people take on too many goals at once?
Constantly. I once decided to learn guitar, start running, and eat healthier all in the same week.
How did that go?
By day 4, I was eating chips while watching guitar tutorials I never tried.
So the lesson is?
One goal at a time actually moves forward. 5 goals at once just create noise.
That's such an important point. A single clear goal is easier to hold on to than 5 scattered ones.
Emma, tell me about a goal you're currently working on.
I'm trying to read more consistently, just a little each day.
What made you choose that one?
I noticed I was scrolling for an hour before bed instead of reading even 10 minutes.
So the goal replaced a habit, not just added something new?
Exactly. And that's been easier to stick with than I expected.
How many pages are we talking?
Some nights, 2 pages. Some nights, 20. I stopped being strict about the number.
That sounds oddly relaxing for a goal.
It is, because the pressure of doing it perfectly was actually what stopped me before. I think we forget that a goal doesn't need to be big to be meaningful.
True. Sometimes we assume a real goal has to look impressive to someone else.
But most goals that actually work are quiet and small.
Like remembering to drink more water, or replying to messages the same day instead of avoiding them for a week.
That second one felt personal.
It was meant to. Can I share something that changed how I think about goals?
Please.
I used to only measure goals by whether I finished them completely.
And now?
Now I measure whether I moved forward at all this week, even slightly.
That's a much kinder way to track progress.
It really is, because most growth doesn't happen in one dramatic moment.
It happens in small, unnoticed steps that add up quietly. Okay, quick pause for you listening right now.
Think of one goal sitting in the back of your mind, even a small one.
Try finishing this sentence in your head. One thing I'd like to work on is...
Take a second. There's no wrong answer.
Good. Let's continue.
Emma, do you think other people's opinions affect our goals?
Definitely. I once mentioned wanting to write more, and someone said, "Isn't that a bit late to start?"
How did that feel?
Honestly, it stung for a moment. But it didn't stop me. It just made me quieter about sharing it.
I think a lot of people go quiet after comments like that.
True, but I've noticed something. Their reaction usually says more about their own doubts than about my goal.
That's a really grounding way to see it.
It helps, especially on days when my own motivation is already low.
Let's talk about the days when motivation just disappears completely.
Oh, those days are real.
What do you do on those days?
I stopped expecting big effort on low energy days. Instead, I just do the smallest possible version.
Like what?
If my goal is reading and I don't feel like it, I read 1 paragraph. Just 1.
And that counts?
Completely, because showing up small still keeps the habit alive.
That's oddly comforting, actually.
It should be, because most of us quit not from failure, but from expecting too much on tired days. Let's do a quick review before we continue.
I'm ready.
I want to slowly get better at something over time. How might we phrase that naturally?
I'm working on it.
Perfect. I stopped following my plan for a while.
I fell off track.
Exactly. I'm returning to my plan now.
Getting back on track.
You're picking this up quickly.
Let's try something different for a moment. Repeat after me. One thing I'm working on is... Again. One thing I'm working on is... One more time, a little more naturally. One thing I'm working on is...
This single phrase can describe almost any goal, big or small.
Simple, honest, and very natural sounding.
Before we finish, let's slowly go through a few useful words from today.
My favorite part, honestly.
Our first word is consistent.
Meaning?
Doing something regularly, again and again, not just once.
So, I'm trying to be consistent with my English practice?
Exactly. Here's another example. Being consistent matters more than being perfect.
Our next word is discouraged.
That's a feeling word, meaning you feel low or want to give up.
Like, I felt discouraged after missing a few days?
Perfect example. Here's another one. Don't let one bad day leave you discouraged.
Our third word is momentum.
Ooh, I like this word.
Momentum means the energy that builds as you keep going.
So, once I started, I built momentum quickly.
Exactly. Here's another example. Small wins create momentum for bigger ones.
Our fourth word is flexible.
In this context,
Being able to adjust your plan without giving up completely.
like, I try to stay flexible instead of quitting when life gets busy.
Great example. Here's another. A flexible plan survives longer than a rigid one.
And our final word, fulfilling.
A beautiful one to end on.
Fulfilling means something that gives you a deep sense of satisfaction.
Like finishing that small goal felt incredibly fulfilling.
Perfect. Here's one more. Progress, even slow progress, can feel deeply fulfilling.
Let's do a quick recap.
Consistent, doing something regularly.
Discouraged, feeling low or wanting to give up.
Momentum, the energy that builds as you continue.
Flexible, adjusting without quitting completely.
And fulfilling, a deep sense of satisfaction.
5 words that'll help you talk about goals more naturally in English.
Before we go, one last thought.
A goal doesn't need a perfect plan or a perfect version of you.
It just needs a small, honest step, again and again.
Some days, that step will be big. Some days, it'll be tiny. Both still count.
So whatever goal you're quietly holding on to, give it just a little attention today.
Not a perfect effort, just an honest one.
Thanks for spending this time learning with us today.
See you in the next episode.